Hi everyone, hi, welcome back. I'm Rinske Dauna and today I will be working on this long canvas. I have here a couple of pastel acrylics. Amsterdam has 12 new colors and of course I bought a couple which I wanted to try out. So let's start doing that today. Also, of course, I will be working with some of my golden colors. But first, let's wet this base. Because it's spring, I really want to work with some very soft shades and just happy colors, really. So now it's wet. Let's start working with the colors. I do want to first start with a color of golden, and this is a light ultramarine blue. And I have a new brush as well, so let's test that out. This is a happy color. This is definitely a happy color. This is a very beautiful color. I have this color, the yellowish green, and that is really eyeballing me. Let's see how that looks in combination with those colors. Of course, I do want some color in that part there too. This is a very different palette for me. Let's start working on the other side. Alright, so very soft. Let's go with another blue. Oh yeah, I like that a lot better. Now it's making green here. Of course. Of course I do. Right, you know what? I like this palette. I want to start with the white already. But then I do want to use another color to go with that white, a darker color. I just selected the color Anthraquino blue. Let's work with that. I really like this color to go with this palette here. I really like how abstract this is looking, to be honest. This one is quite a challenge, what I gave myself here. very abstract. All right, we need some more color, don't we? Then also improve on this composition. This is also very clean, empty. Let's add some Prussian blue. I definitely want there some white. I think it's too dark there. Good, now we're getting somewhere. We like that. Let's leave that top part. I don't know if you guys are seeing it even on camera because it's so long. I love these lines, and here as well. I think that's very beautiful. Now this I want to make white later, and here we have some of those lines as well that I definitely want to fix. I'm still not happy with this part over here. Right. Cool. This is a fun one. This is really a fun one. I think I will keep this one quite simple, not do a lot more. Seriously, I think this is super duper stunning. This is super duper stunning. So if I let this dry, I definitely need to touch up some parts. I think that's so fine. I will 100% fix all the white, so they're beautiful and crisp. This is looking good, isn't it? I'm just thinking here how I can improve on the composition. It's mostly because of this part here. I do want this all to be connected a bit more. I just don't want to mess it up. But I do need to do it now and not later. Oh, I think that was it. Okay. Yeah. All right. So now that's beautifully connected. I can fix those lines when it's dry. Only thing is, I feel like I need one line going from here up to there. You might not see my fish in there, but otherwise this is so out of the blue and not connected to this part. Now it does feel more connected. I think with this one I can play a lot more later on. Okay, I will ask Wouter what he thinks of this painting because I'm so doubting. I'm so doubting. Wouter, he really loves that yellow green, so I was thinking let's add a little bit of that color here. Alright, you know, I'm gonna stop. I will let this painting dry and I'll be back. Here it is. You see those sides? It's such a beautiful color. I really think that elevates this painting because it lifts this yellowish green over here And you know, this painting is quite interesting. First, I used a very different blue than I use normally, so this is a lot more fresh, but also the white is not as prominent because it sort of blends into the background, so it's all about the blue here and the composition. Let me show you in full. You see what I mean? It sort of blends in. Yeah, I do think this is an interesting piece. Simple is best, as Melly D would say. I might add to it. No, I won't. No, I won't let this be. Let me know what you think. Would love to hear it. And of course, like always, I'll see you next week, Saturday.